Badwam Ahosepe live from Portions Restaurant or Jolo. Yeah, when I said Tuesdays, be our way when I bono to home hen and my to me as a favorite personality. No, yes, and a brown now. Now, Martin Day, Rabbi said Minkin Zakusha in 2021, and I'm saying for the first time forever. Now, we're grown us. Apart from that, you know, as the songbird. I mean, me tell you, ma, as I mean, if you more in your day. Why do beer? There are beer for the diary now, or church or in some be the one the diary move, and was in my hand. Or make sure how they are paying, you know, what you come on, hit songs, baby, YG, awards, baby, international recognition, so one of the biggest will push Ghana on the map. Brochi, and the main, Gyakie, listening now. There's a whole conversation. Na papa coffee baby sa. Na papa na champion na obisa nye papa bia ebisa ne papa what about be bonchim bebre da wa ye ne papa. Watch him put there. On to run in a bay, and you monate. Come over, on the mamma in a watch you and pay. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are okay. I'm not the movie until you are just as calm as your songs.
You bet me, I can say. You bet me, I can say, yeah.
Okay. It's another man, say,
Anna, me, the other from because, yeah.
Okay. No one's about into no aquaba. Ahosepe.
Thank you for having me. Boko. I think that my interviews are Macron when the earliest time about they not started.
Is it because I wage my all nights? How is it like for a musician in the evening?
Yeah.
Because or to me or the phone that. My entire way then.
Yeah, intimate specifically, you know. Most of the time, me studio recordings, and your mom me sure I made it was studio. Me media me penno anajo na ya me recording your mom me timi who say mami okay. Enti and your mom me yeah me album no say no bebre na sad time no yeah recording no after midnight. Enti and I show say time bonds so most of the times concerts ni enyumre. Enti e ba sa na obebe fie no na wa brain ti wo anopa no. And a time I will tell me that not anymore, no, a Juma time. So that's how the schedule has been for over the years. Yeah,
I see. And me sure pardon easy because for somebody, even you know the nufeda, necessary as all the nufa into menda. And see, nufa no, no man no soon another. What is it about the evening?
Yeah, what say? My name say what na say. I drew that time but during that period, no mimi when you say we are seeing maybe and I would say the voices of the birds chirping and all of that. But the main reason is a baby I did to me. A year, Juma year, mammy to me a drink, and mammy to me planning near around that time. I really enjoy the piece at dawn, and internet, metai very active around that time.
Okay, into when you're not at church on the after midnight, and I the as I album.
Yes.
The Midnight album.
Yes, after midnight.
Midnight album. Yeah, back on Ransom. But before that, my share, you know, for the songbird. Be sure there isn't be one coin. And is it because it's unknown and I'm a total man? How did you even get into music? Meaning that even though you had the precedence, but how did you find yourself there?
Right. Until Nina Shasema from 2019. KNUST. That was the time me share Madam for be known and I down for the nam. Na down for now and then no. Now or your producer, but na me nimono. And no see students were campus. Now that time na me was school na me name class me as an occupation. Although because of me papa and na managing your mon manage and your movies, drama, BBI entertainment be na managing ho. But my family dream anko. My voice to say, oh, meet me at Tonyama Manko for a until some me dropping my first song. Now, my first song now me dropping in a crowd, man dropping with the mindset say me baby as me Juma me because still now I'm a student at our campus.
Now, wait, producer no on initial no academy. why they do to them? You never have a record.
Yes, nice. Inti many omushia e wo kwan so am free class. And on say na me say on madam for na me madam for say oh yenko check it baby me hostel on the wall. Inti me di o me chi na me call ho no. And me hu say omo the microphone setup any studio speakers e wo omo hostel. And I make say like obi a ye wo campus hostel. And then I'm with the microphone and the speakers. And I'm say sometimes only free or more recording you. It's out of curiosity. And I make say, okay, I grow more and I'm say, oh, in a year sending me beats, maybe I'm a barber recording. Just in a conversation. Until Sunday, me coffee, me tea. And me tea beats and I may realize and say, oh, words, you know, and you know, it's coming to me like I'm able to write music.
Wow.
Right? Until honor and I'm a tron and I'm a call in hostel the next day and I'm a recording, you know. Now and you never out the me tune okay, my young but a be campus, me now for busia for man found to meet you, say me be nyum to me because me that's so school. And on a job you know, and I not as a afa.
Wow.
Me am to say
as a come
as an microphone it's based off the reception and I mean from microphone I say oh and you know do why any voice said the afena margin by my voice and say hey be na let me say my voice come because it was now not just in Crawford or campus afena gradually you know omo ni campus I started and you know into we imagine say said the Crawford person would see another song from me. Mensa second one and a second one and a take it off. Me my friend and never like this. And when I'm drop a breaking into the industry pan because I am buy everybody was looking for Gyakie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next
and year 2019. Yes.
Forever no all people
outside of Ghana. Yes. It's because I never like this. Emma me entry into the Ghana music industry and forever no Emma me outside it's forever near 2020 into 2021 and never like this year 2019 there about here.
And you know the song bed and I mean you know what they know abuhin in Chimakakra will be on no kwan na otum kweko pay no modo actually that papa no you are your father's daughter.
Yes.
It's in the blood.
It's in the blood, parents. No matter what was going to happen, and not ABP. It just had to happen at the right time.
Yes, wow. Interesting story. Papa, but in the portions restaurants for us, when on us the way we want about home. Now, how days a breakfast, a lunch, in Brisbane, crown, and pay more there. Ubenya Zam. When is buying come papa, the famous portions jollof. Recommend that Mobana Bepebi Nazi. Separate portions and my way is bano the do be brazen on the to my phone 059 7435 345. Number is 059 743 5345 for portions restaurant Wojo. Last chance and why I the streets of one of my papa. Baby place is very nice. Baby Gyakie will walk around.
Okay.
The place is very nice. Coffee can have a show Wahadi. It's gonna be a show the while so show we be show Nazi Wahadi. Now into my hair, you said and you never put the new part of the car. In Yanabas Nepede.
Me drew secondary I mean my son or not me come one way because say oh me pese me way but me drew secondary school no. Me na me pese me general arts, but I wasn't given that course. They gave me business, and everything
you were the same story. Wow.
And I would say really, and I don't like business. Me
maths. I can relate to 100.
Send Bernard, young audit to me because I don't pay calculations, pay accounting, pay economics, pay but I ended up getting the business and it was
option may costing and I elective maths costing we this
I went through a lot.
I know.
Let me try as a general arts. I wasn't working, but when Bibia before some come back, Bibia is see at that time, you know. when I look back at it, I now understand God. Say, okay,
why do you see?
when now right? Because we tried so hard to make generalists, but it wasn't working. So I had to do the business by force. Into my business was secondary school. I was only right. Said I'll take it to the university, into my international business, KNUST. And because of that, now my mindset had changed. Okay, now I wanted to work in a corporate field in Cameroon school. I would either be in a corporate field and I say, baby, I area sitting in the economy, baby, and I'm there. So far as I'm going to be making money out of it, decent money, I'm there. And that's what I wanted to be after university.
But no, God
had different plans for me.
Oh, the one why did they be a business? Can you know?
Yes, still. At the moment, the music name Kwame Pese. When I become very stable, I'm actually a idea that I come out to say I would love to tap into businesses because I think say to see how no my dream might be to that extent that I'll be able to run a good business. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I mentioned that your songs, to them, in some old dives, you are pouring your heart out. Why? And is that the plan? Like, is that it?
Yeah. One thing about me is me tie enyum from other artists that me pe enyuma and then me so and me emotions be connected. And because of that, I also want me per se omo tie me so me dey no omo feel the same way. And majority of my songs enyuma ne main focus people's hearts, people's emotions. A person go full team and your man almost feeling something different within them. And I'm tired or done your mentino and it's emotional feelings in Asia. And I enjoy writing about love. And most of my songs, me time so throw your man will be related to it, even if it's not a love song. Say about life and anything aside love is supposed to connect with you as the listener. Yeah.
The way I can love some music can be said, are they from personal experiences?
I mean, some of the songs that I write, they be more on my idea, me and my film, and some of them too.
More hints and my film. Also, more hints and all, my film.
Oh, okay. There's a song on my album, my friend, Is It Worth It? Everything in that song is actually from a personal experience. I idea my film. And you man I make about area say abrabo and I mean to what end? You know, I was really questioning life and talking about my experiences with fame and all of that. And to say, I was really talking about myself. And I mean some of my love songs too, you know.
I get it.
You get it. You get it.
Are you still single?
I am still single. Very, very single.
And then boys most are they afraid to come in and I propose also but no one
almost shut down you serious and to me try your mom.
Is that about to check?
Is it?
Is that about to check even though be serious?
I say obe serious obe who. Yeah, to say oh class now when you're serious, I would teach a bit who say when you're serious. And you say you can't cast a bit breed. Ube who say boy we when you're serious. May waste my time. Okay. Yeah, and I'm not ready to waste my time on anyone. Yeah.
So you're trying to be really serious.
Serious one about me because I me feel.
Okay.
Exactly.
But I say baby your treatment and
very, very much. Very. Oh yeah, me dey be I'm still me at 12. I'm a 12-year-old girl. Into me dey be pampering, and I love into
what would be your deal breaker? But my you be from naked
Oberima ombuade. If you don't respect women or you don't respect the people around you. There was a time I'm in Madame for be a call baby, right? And that way they were a female friend. And Mikai said the waiter came to serve and everything. I wasn't happy with the way she spoke with the waiter. You know, and I may in Crofobisano, I don't mean because you always have to treat everybody equal. And so I don't like men who don't have respect for women, have respect for people, and somebody who is also not hygienic.
Okay.
Mean to me, I can't stand it. Yeah, you need to look good, smell good.
Okay.
Everything clean.
Would you date a regular guy?
Yes, for sure. Hey, that one is even peaceful. I feel like that one can put more peace of mind more because it's a whole lot in the industry. But me, no, me rules be brave and to my brother. So I don't tell myself, hey, me will be you never know where life will take you.
Wherever the heart goes.
Yeah, I didn't know I was going to be an artist. Intimidate, but I mean, dating, marriage, my type, me rules into me home. The moment anything would happen, it means the son and I was say, easy, and it's an easy sound. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, awesome. You back how album no as mommy said how special. What do you believe in?
Yes. I'm a Christian. I'm a full-on Christian, and me will come out say I'm a family chapel, and I'm a ICGC.
Okay. Which of the branches?
The one at Teshi.
Also for you one.
Pastor Isabel.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh no.
Say me wa cry.
Okay. No chapel.
Yes, but me will come out say I'm a family chapel.
It's Sunday, of course.
Yes. No, this Sunday did it.
No way. Where were you on Sunday?
Interviews. My interviews are, yeah. I've not actually been in a minute, but I've been praying in the house.
Okay. You see, how I can't a bomb pay with fear because all the fire show you in the Christopher the fun and guess or your bomb paper. See, at that time now you are creating. I don't know how a bomb pay how. Your time.
Yeah, I do. And one thing they say, so I say I'm really from a very prayerful family, So sometimes miss sleeping a crap because I sleeping and not just like Abia say man call sorry in a long minute and I me film pie boy and all that. Or for me kai me a bonfire and all of that. And very important. Sometimes I can just be sitting down randomly and then not me team when I make bonfire because now compound he's everywhere every time any day. You don't always have to just be on your knees praying before. You can just be sitting down like
once I'm actually you really do know God. Into no after midnight album and imagine all
into after midnight album there was 17 songs. That's
17 songs.
And so, right?
No album, a lot of songs on the match about. 17 songs.
The hot one. Into any promote.
What's your favorite? 17.
Okay, my favorite is it worth it? The American says from a personal experience. Is it worth it? Any Fire on the Mountain, and they are my favorite songs on the album.
Okay, no album no over here.
Right. Into after midnight, and I am my first album.
Okay.
Yes.
I kind of favorite
Is it worth it?
Is it worth it?
Fire on the Mountain. Do you believe in the afterlife from here? Do you believe we have somewhere to go? From birth we grow to death, it's casket after the toil. Then I ask myself, is it worth it? Is this life thing really, really worth it? Yeah.
Because me sure don't know America you were asking life questions.
Yes.
Maybe prompted them decision.
Yeah, in this time now I'm having a session and I'm many producer and yeah about Abrabo anywhere say. And within that week, some of the people close to me, may lose some of their relatives, and they were going through it. Na ama bibia kwa say really and truly like na yebeko for real, and Komani Yedi was studio no, and it inspired the record to come out like that. Yeah.
Gyakie, a lot of young girls look up to you. Before I started some few words, some few seconds. I'm catch girls.
This one I have to actually look into the camera. Like pressure on you too much. Everybody should calm down. You will make it at the right time. Obia enjoy the social media pressure. Now we should way life I say who named the nipa no cry go through to get to what they had to get to. Until be very happy with what you have, live life. And then don't put pressure on yourself. The social media and say, bad information, leave it and tap into reality in patrol. The young girls, my young ladies, please, mumjai peer pressure. Mama pressure and cut your coat according to your size.
Yeah. Sharp. Advise you though, papa, because this time pressure will
pressure no does.
Until you also they tap into reality.
Yes. Phone it to her. Phone or fact to her. Okay,
after midnight, Gyakie, the new album, also streaming platforms, 17 songs.
Yeah.
So, until Bien Pate, is it worth it?
Yeah.
Because, or the personal favorite,
yeah.
So, I want to know, na kuma, pa, no, shaman, to the Mozilla tea, Nara, from and you know, it's so nice.
Thank you.
Gyakie, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for sharing your morning with me. Portions restaurant was the own breakfast now.
And I come also the pie into tapping.
Rana Beja was a Portions restaurant for Jolu last chance from 05974353345. Mandawa, it's Nefia in Yamusepe as Yamisha Papa on studio. Head of production so the Kofian Pedu, Yamisha Papa Madasi, King's Bear Kama OPD and all the producer Isaac Waha. O manage and ways.
Yeah.
Matiti now. That's papa. The when I want to pay more had you 2 years on common bro if you had a crown. Yami Adoma, a Basana. Bye bye.